All right, check this out, guys. For those who are new to the hobby, I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at the HD arms for your Traxxas Xmaxx. Today, guys, we're going to be hitting the death ramp. So we got to get the Xmaxx fixed back up. All right, let me take off this wheel hex really quickly. 17 mil Pnwrcmadness with, well, check that out, guys. You won't be scraping your knuckles with this wheel wrench. These things hold on all the wheels. Love them. And the carnage. Man, I tell you what, too. I guess we're going to take the wheelie bar off, too. This thing was brand new. We're not doing wheelie bars anymore. You know, instead of losing the pins always on the front and the rear because the arms open up, you can buy these GPM hinge pin kits on my website. I sell them in 10 packs or 20 packs, half a truck or a full truck. Check it out. Right off the bat, you can tell which one is beefier. This has got, look at the extra webbing. See, here, let me take it off the truck. Right on. We did get super lucky and we didn't bend the hinge pins. So I see a lot of guys on the internet, I see a lot of guys on Facebook asking, well, should I go with RPM or should I just go with the HD Traxxas? And, well, there is your difference right there. There's your answer. That's not the answer, but the answer is HD Traxxas because RPM's too bendable. And then check that out, guys. Full webbing, bigger webbing, stronger, just way stronger. While we got them off, check out those GPM shock caps. These are made of 7075 aluminum. Man, guys, these make your truck look super nice. All right, here it is, the last and final pin. Let's see. I hope we didn't bend it. Guys, that is so awesome. We didn't bend the pin. All right, it might have a slight bend on it, but we're going to put it back in the truck. Well, I wanted to show you guys the HD arms, but I guess I did break an HD arm. So it is possible that is how they break. So we're just going to go ahead and button it back up, guys, and then we're going to go hit the death ramp. So stay tuned for that video. Thanks for watching. This is just a quick montage to what's to come today, fixing the Xmaxx. Let's go. All right, before we end the video, guys, check this out. We're going to go ahead and get our batteries charged up really quickly. This is a sponsored video by Hobby King or Turnigy batteries. Absolutely love these. These are the Rapid 9.5s, 9500 milliamp, 100C, guys. These things are rippers. And then check this out. See if I can get the internal resistance really quick. Look at that, guys. 1.1, 1.4, 1. It's incredible. These batteries are incredible. Here we're going to go in the upper hole. It won't turn as nice, but that's all right.